Remote Start allows you to precondition your 2016-2022 BMW 740i's engine, heating, and cooling systems before getting in the car for added comfort. First, ensure all doors are closed and locked. Press and hold the lock button, which has a padlock icon, on your key fob for about 3 seconds. You'll see the hazard lights flash to confirm. Immediately after the lights flash, press the Start button, which has a circular arrow icon, within 10 seconds. The engine will then run for up to 15 minutes. To stop it, simply press the lock button again. Remember, the car must be within signal range of the key fob, and a charged battery is essential. Key fob batteries typically last 2 to 3 years. Keep in mind a few key considerations for successful remote starting. First, the system performs safety checks, like fuel levels and engine health. If any issues are detected, Remote Start will not activate. The system automatically deactivates if a door is opened or after the 15-minute timer expires. For security, geofencing limits the activation range to approximately 100 meters from the vehicle. Also, over-the-air software updates from BMW can affect the Remote Start feature. Ensure your car's software is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. If you experience problems, a dealer reset may be required. While app integration is available through the My BMW app, this guide focuses on the key fob method. Make sure to confirm compatibility with your specific trim via your VIN or BMW's configurator.